When you were a kid, you used to say, my toy. Don't you dare touch it. It's my toy. Do you remember that? I'm sure you do. Now, that toy has been replaced by my house, my car, my clothes. Now, when you say my house, my car, it shows something about the nature of the mind. To be precise, it shows something about the nature of the ego. And today in this talk, I'm going to share that with you. Now, when you say my car, my house, it shows the content and the structure of the egoic mind. What is the content in my house or in my car? It's the car and the house, right? And when you were a kid, the content was the toy. Now that toy has become the car, which means the content has changed, but the structure is the same. And what is that structure? This structure is the most basic structure of the ego and the most powerful one in terms of hiding your divine infinite nature. If you can recognize this structure, then you will make tremendous progress on the spiritual path. So, what is that structure? It is identification. Yes, identification is the most basic structure of the egoic mind. You can call identification the life of the ego. Without it, without the identification, the ego cannot survive. In your childhood, you used to identify with a toy. Now you identify with your car. You would be surprised to know the meaning of the word identification. It comes from the Latin word idem and facere, which together means to make the same. Now, when you identify with a thing, what are you actually doing? When you identify with a thing, you make that thing the same. The same as what? The same as you, the same as yourself. You make it as you. That's identification. And when that thing is taken away, what happens? When that is taken away, you undergo tremendous suffering. And it's all because of identification. Because it makes you feel that a part is being taken away. A part of you is being taken away or has been taken away. Do you remember the pain that you had to go through when somebody took your toy? And the pain when somebody's car is taken away? Do you know the cause of that pain, of that suffering? Yes, identification is at the root of this suffering. Though identification is at the root of your suffering, but what is actually at the root of this identification? The root of identification is the word mine. See, scriptures talk about two attitudes that a seeker can adopt on the spiritual path. One is, everything in this universe is mine. And the other is, nothing in this universe is mine. Adopt any attitude towards this world and you won't identify with anything or anyone. See, when you feel that everything in this universe belongs to you, then why would you use the word mine? You use the word mine because you feel that other things don't belong to you, right? They belong to someone else. Isn't that so? But when you are fully sure that everything in this universe belongs to you, then you wouldn't use the word mine. And by doing this, you would go beyond identification. And the same happens when you adopt the other attitude that nothing in this universe belongs to you. Here too, you cannot use the word mine. So adopt either one of these attitudes, and when you do so, you would be dealing a lethal blow to the foundation of the egoic structure. It would, in fact, sound the death knell of the egoic mind. And when that happens, you would experience your divine, infinite nature.